Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to talk about how to understand Fundbox's repayment terms. Are you thinking of using Fundbox but not sure how the repayment terms work? In this video I'm going to explain the repayment structure, timelines, and exactly what to expect in simple and clear terms. Let's get into it. Now the first step of course is for fixed terms. So Fundbox offers two repayment terms options. The first is 12 weeks and the second is 24 weeks. You can choose your preferred term each time you draw from your credit line. Next, weekly payments. Repayment is made in equal weekly installments. This includes part of the principal and a portion of the flat fee. For example, if you borrow $6,000 for 12 weeks, the total repayment is going to be $6,600 and a weekly payment is going to be $550. Next, no repayment penalties. Now, you can repay early without any penalties. Fundbox will waiver any unpaid fees, which of course is going to save you a lot of money. Next, automatic deductions. Fundbox automatically withdraws payments from your linked business bank account on the scheduled day each week. Next, view your repayment terms anytime. You can always log into your Fundbox dashboard, click on the draw, and view your terms length, weekly payments, and of course its total cost. A couple of pro tips. The first is to be sure that you can meet the weekly deduction schedules to avoid missed payments. And the second, of course, is that terms apply per draw. So you're not locked into a long-term contract, so you don't have to worry about that. Understanding your terms helps you to plan better and borrow smarter. If you like this video, hit subscribe and stay informed. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.